The two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH, 960Wh, large removable battery and a 1300W peak motor is a remarkable offering in the burgeoning electric bike market. Designed for both functionality and comfort, this electric bike caters to city commuters, weekend adventurers, and families looking for an eco-friendly transportation alternative. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its powerful 1300W peak motor, which provides robust performance. This motor allows the bike to reach impressive speeds, making it suitable for both urban riding and off-road adventures. Riders can feel confident tackling inclines or rough terrain without sacrificing speed or stability. The acceleration is smooth, and the responsiveness of the throttle is commendable, ensuring a seamless riding experience. Equipped with a 48V 20AH, 960Wh, removable battery, this electric bike boasts an extended range, allowing riders to cover significant distances on a single charge. The large battery capacity is a game-changer for those who may be concerned about running out of power during longer rides. I found that it easily handles a range of 40 to 60 miles, depending on the terrain and the weight of the riders. This makes it an ideal choice for those who wish to use it for commuting or leisurely outings without the constant worry of recharging. The removable feature of the battery is particularly appealing. It allows for convenient charging, as users can simply detach the battery and charge it indoors. This also means that the bike can be securely parked outside without the risk of having the battery stolen, which is a significant concern for many electric bike users. The battery itself has a well-designed casing that appears durable and weather-resistant, adding to its longevity. Comfort is another key aspect where this electric bike excels. The seating arrangement for two riders is spacious and ergonomically designed, allowing for an enjoyable ride without feeling cramped. The seat is cushioned adequately, making it suitable for long journeys. The bike also features adjustable handlebars, allowing riders of different heights to find a comfortable riding position. Additionally, the bike's suspension system is noteworthy. It effectively absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, ensuring a smoother ride, especially when navigating city streets or off-road trails. Safety features are paramount for any mode of transportation, and this electric bike does not disappoint. It comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. The bike also features integrated LED lights, ensuring visibility during nighttime rides. Reflectors on the sides enhance safety further, making it a suitable choice for urban commuting. In terms of design, the bike has a modern and stylish appearance that is likely to appeal to a wide range of riders. The frame is constructed from high-quality materials, providing a sturdy build that inspires confidence when riding. The color options are tasteful and cater to various aesthetic preferences, adding a touch of personalization to the bike. The weight of the bike is a consideration for some, as it is slightly heavier than traditional bicycles due to the battery and motor. However, this is a common trait in electric bikes, and the added weight can actually contribute to stability, especially at higher speeds. That said, maneuvering the bike at low speeds or in tight spaces may require a bit more effort. Another point worth noting is the bike's pricing. While it may seem a bit on the higher end compared to standard bicycles, it's essential to consider the investment in convenience, efficiency, and sustainability that an electric bike offers. With rising fuel costs and increasing urban congestion, switching to an electric bike can be a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option in the long run. Lastly, assembly and maintenance are generally straightforward. The bike comes with a detailed manual, and most users should be able to assemble it without professional help. Regular maintenance is similar to that of traditional bikes, although some additional care is needed for the electrical components. In conclusion, the two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery and a 1300W peak motor presents a compelling choice for anyone in the market for an electric bike. It's